Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be talking about how to use Zoom in Canvas. Now there are many ways that Zoom can be used in Canvas to teach online courses. The way that we're about to show you has several benefits. One of the benefits that comes from using the way that we're about to show is that there is a single link or button to join the meeting, and by setting up Zoom the way that we're about to show, Zoom will recognize your role as the host automatically, and it will recognize the student's role as a participant automatically using the same button. And this is good for a couple of reasons. Obviously, as a host, you want to be able to control the meeting and have all the function of that a host should have. So that is the main benefit to the way that we're about to show. So to do that, we first click on Settings, and then we select the Navigation tab. From the list of applications that are available to us, one of which is Zoom, we want to select it and make sure that it shows up in the upper section here, and then we click on Save. And what that does is it places Zoom in the navigation for the student. Okay. So we now notice that Zoom does not have one of these eyes with a line through it. So it is usable by the student and the instructor. So to set up a meeting, we click on the Zoom tab. If you get this view, just follow the instructions. The reason this comes up is because of the use of student view. Anytime we use student view, it has the potential to confuse any applications that are plugged into Canvas. Alright, so we just follow the instructions. It says click here to sign into Zoom. So we do that and it signs us into Zoom. And then the next thing is to refresh the page. Alright, so that allows Zoom to access your YC credentials and recognizes you as a YC employee. Alright, so you'll notice that there are a list of meetings here that are already created. Students do not see this whole list. The only meetings that a student sees are the meetings that are created from this page. Okay, so if we click on Schedule a New Meeting, we can work through the parameters and settings. I'm just going to set this as a recurring meeting with no fixed time, and then save. Okay, I don't need to copy the URL because when a student, and we'll take a look at this in student view, when a student clicks on the Zoom button in student view, they only see the meetings that are created for this class. So they don't see all of your other meetings like you do. And then all that you or the student have to do is, when the time comes, click on the join button for the meeting in question. The one that we just made was practice, and that'll take us into the Zoom meeting. Okay, so that's all for this one. Feel free to watch our other videos that go over some of the details on how to use Zoom, but for this video we have covered how to set Zoom up in Canvas for instructor and student use.